Good evening. Severe tropical cyclone Ula has moved over the southern Lau group today, and currently the center of the cyclone is around 110 kilometers south of Canberra and about 70 kilometers north of Onoi Lau. Currently, tropical cyclone Ula is a Category 3 system. However, there is a possibility it could strengthen further to a Category 4 cyclone in the next 6 to 12 hours. Destructive storm force winds with gusts of 150 kilometers per hour are affecting southern islands of Canberra, Namuka, Fulanga, Ongea, Vatoa, and Onoi Lau, while damaging gale force winds are confined mostly to islands south of a line from Mode to Totoya and then to Matuku. Elsewhere across Fiji, strong and gusty west to southwest winds prevail. Full details of the latest special weather bulletin can be found at the Fiji Meteorological Service website, with copies posted also on the NaDraki.com website and the NaDraki Facebook page. The distinctive eye of severe tropical cyclone Ula can be seen over southern Lau waters. Bands of cloud feeding into the center of the cyclone are evident over much of Fiji also. In the strong onshore westerly wind flow, the Nadi side of Viti Levu saw cloudy skies and showers, while the Tai Levu coast was dry and sunny and quite warm. The high-resolution satellite image shows the eye of tropical cyclone Ula over Lau and the clouds near the center. The cyclone is forecast to move west-southwest towards the bottom center of this image later tonight and tomorrow. The most recent track forecast shows the past and current movement of tropical cyclone Ula. Note how the movement slows down significantly later tomorrow, with the cyclone expected to remain over waters south of Kandavu through the Wednesday afternoon. The wind chart shows the strong wind circulation of tropical cyclone Ula that dominates the region right now. Winds are from the west or southwest over most places, except near the center of the cyclone, where winds rotate clockwise around the core of the cyclone. Mostly cloudy across the west tomorrow, with showers heavy at times during the day, strong and gusty southwest winds, further heavy falls likely inland, with rivers and streams slowly rising over coming days as rain continues, local flash flooding likely. Up north, cloudy with occasional showers tomorrow with isolated heavy falls, fresh to strong and squally west to southwest winds, local flash flooding possible around low-lying creeks and drains. For the central and eastern divisions, overcast with periods of rain, heavy at times with some heavy falls for the eastern division tomorrow. Southwest to northwest winds gale force over southern waters, increasing to storm force near the center of the cyclone. Strong wind warnings are current for all coastal waters, with winds strengthening to gale force over the southeast. Mariners are urged to stay ashore for the time being and refrain from using small craft in coastal waters. Tropical cyclone Ula is forecast to slow down from late Monday through to at least Wednesday. The predicted slow movement is a significant concern, firstly for heavy rain and flooding, with rain expected to linger for a few days and remain heavy at times, especially about southern Viti Levu, Kandavu, and nearby smaller islands, including Lau, Lomai Viti, and possibly also the southern Mamanuca Islands. The other concern is for heavy swells about the southern part of the Fiji group as the cyclone sits slow moving to the south. The Coral Coast and the coastal communities from Korolevu to Lami, Kandavu, Benga, and Vatulele, along with the southern and central Lau Islands and parts of Lomai Viti, may experience high waves and some sea flooding, along with the risk of coastal erosion. People in the regions mentioned should follow closely weather bulletins over coming days, as there will likely be significant impacts from this cyclone for 3 or 4 more days yet. All the latest weather forecast and warning information will be available on our webpage at NaDraki.com and on our Facebook page. Please stay alert to changing weather conditions this weekend and stay safe. Please check in tomorrow evening for all the latest weather information. Please spare a thought for our fellow Fijians who are subjected to the fury of tropical cyclone Ula. From the MyTV team and NaDraki, we wish you a pleasant evening.